Hi friends, in this video we will discuss the law of partnership as stated in the Kautilya's Arthashastra. Partners have to decide their profit and loss sharing ratio by having a proper agreement. If a partner leaves the partnership in between, the same was a punishable offence. When a partner is sick, he will be paid profit only to the extent he works. But when the partner gives a substitute to do his work, he would be given his full share of profit. If partner is caught for misappropriation of money for the first time, he would be forgiven. But he is caught second time, the same would be an offence and he would be thrown out of partnership. So friends, again we say that the partners to decide their ratio and have an agreement. That is what we call today as partnership deed between the partners. One different thing is a partner cannot leave a partnership in between. That was considered as an offence in the time of Kautilya, which obviously is not there today. If a partner is sick, he is not entitled for all profit. But one important aspect is he can give a substitute, and that substitute, if works properly, in that case he can get his full profit. So this was the law of partnership. Plus, if you see that partnership doing misappropriation, for the first time the partner is forgiven, but if he does it again, he is thrown out. What does it mean that in those days a chance was given to a partner to make himself proper? Supposing a person might have done something wrong, might be because of greed, might be because of frustration. So he was pardoned for the first time, and then he was given a chance, saying that if you do it second time, you will be thrown out. To some extent that was more kind of a human law, we will say, allowing the human being to accept his guilt and giving a chance to improve himself. So friends, that was the law of partnership in the Kautilya. In our next video, we will discuss the rules of criminal investigation. Thank you.